Hello folks, this is John from Extended Range Diving Services. I want to take a moment to talk to you about our 3D printed GoPro and Lite hand mounts. These hand mounts are made of PLA, which is an ocean safe biodegradable material, still very strong and very useful. The primary mount we first released is for the GoPro, keeps it nice and steady, also allows you to swap out the GoPro for different aspects. What we've now done is we've made adapters for various lights. So as you can see here, this particular adapter will slide right into the quick release mount. So if you wanted to go back and forth between your GoPro and a light, you could do that. This base platform is a very secure connection. Other types out there that other manufacturers make are made of Velcro. They're stitched, and unfortunately with a lot of ocean use they tend to fall apart, come unthreaded, and you run the risk of actually losing the light. This is a very secure connection. Couple of different options. This uses, again, the strong PLA mount and a very thick cable tie. Another way to do it, if you really want to make it very secure, would be to use an actual hose clamp. Either way would work well. Another great thing about this mount, most of you have probably encountered a situation where you have a light that you have to twist on and off, and you really need two hands to do that. Well, if you're running a reel, or if you're inside of a wreck, or you're just adjusting your buoyancy, or in an emergency situation, you want to be using this hand. All you need to do is reach up, twist the light to turn it on and off. So that still allows this hand to be doing whatever it happened to be doing. Just like with the GoPro, this gives the light stability. So as you're using your light, it's not wobbling around, it's not shaky, especially if you're using your light to take video. So we also have a mount for the popular Sola light, which can be toggled back and forth from wide and narrow beams. So you could have a GoPro mounted on one hand and a light mounted on the other. And again, gives lots of stability and a secure connection. We've designed these to be customizable. So whatever kind of light you have, a platform can be created to attach it to our base platform. So if you already own the base platform, you can just purchase an adapter and mount your light to it. As you can see here, you can also customize the wording. We can put the name of a dive center on there. We can put your name on there. Anything you wish. We decided to go with very strong, very sturdy Shearwater elastic straps. These are far superior to bungee, to Velcro, to anything that I've found on the market. They last pretty much forever and retain their elasticity. And they're also very easy to adjust. As you can see here, you can push this down to loosen them. When you tighten them, they stay tight. They don't come loose all by themselves as your hand moves around. So again, please consider mounting your light in this configuration. It allows you to be much more adaptable underwater and to utilize that hand for other things, as well as having a nice steady platform for your light source. Thank you for watching. Please let us know if you are interested in one of our hand mounts.